Hello, and welcome to Slow English Stories, and I hope you're doing well. Before you skip this video, listen carefully. This is important for you. If you want to learn English slowly, clearly, and without stress, you're in the right place. So stay with me and enjoy learning English step by step. Let's go. Tom was a young man. He lived in a small town. His life was very simple. He woke up late every day. He slept late every night. He said, "I will do it tomorrow." Tomorrow was his favorite word. Tom had big dreams. He wanted a good job. He wanted a happy life. He wanted respect. But he did nothing for these dreams. He spent his time on his phone. He watched short videos for hours. He played games. He scrolled and scrolled. Time passed, but Tom did not move. Every morning, his alarm rang at 6. Tom turned it off. He slept again. He woke up at 10. He looked at the clock and felt bad. He said, "I wasted the morning. Now the day is bad." Then he wasted the rest of the day, too. His room was messy. His bed was not made. His books were dusty. He had English books, but he never opened them. He wanted to learn English, but he said, "I am tired today." Tom's friend was named Sam. Sam was very different. Sam woke up early. He read books. He learned English every day, just 30 minutes a day. Not much, but every day. Sam was not rich. Sam was not special, but Sam used his time well. One day, Sam visited Tom. He saw Tom lying on the bed with his phone. Sam asked, "What are you doing?" Tom said, "Nothing, just relaxing." Sam smiled and said, "You relax every day." Tom laughed. "Life is long," Tom said. "I have time." Sam sat on the chair. He looked serious. He said, "Life is not long. Time is fast." Tom did not listen. He said, "You worry too much." Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. Nothing changed for Tom. One day, Tom went to a job interview. The job was simple, but the interview was in English. The manager asked easy questions. "Can you introduce yourself?" the manager asked. Tom opened his mouth. No words came out. His heart beat fast. His face turned red. He felt small. He said, "Sorry, my English is not good." The manager smiled but said, "We need basic English." Tom did not get the job. Tom walked home slowly. He felt heavy. He felt angry at himself. He remembered his books. He remembered Sam. He remembered all the time he wasted. That night, Tom could not sleep. He looked at the ceiling. He thought, "Why am I like this? Why did I waste my time?" In the morning, Tom woke up early. It was 6 o'clock. The sun was just coming up. The air was quiet. Tom sat on his bed. He felt strange, but he also felt hope. He took one English book. He opened the first page. The words were easy. "This is a pen." Tom smiled. "I can do this," he said. He read for 10 minutes, just 10. Then he stopped. He felt tired, but happy. The next day, he did the same. 10 minutes, simple words, short sentences. "This is my family. I like apples. I go to school." Slowly, Tom built a habit. He also stopped using his phone in the morning. He kept it far from his bed. At first, it was hard. His hand wanted the phone, but he stayed strong. Days passed again, but this time something changed. Tom woke up early. Tom read every day. Tom cleaned his room. Tom felt proud. After 1 month, Tom could say simple English sentences. He talked to himself in the mirror. "Hello, my name is Tom. I am learning English. I am hardworking. I use my time well." He smiled. Sam visited again. Sam said, "You look different." Tom said, "I stopped wasting my time." Sam smiled wide. "I am proud of you." Tom felt good, very good. But life tested Tom again. One week, Tom felt lazy. He missed one day, then 2 days. His phone came back to his hand. His bed became warm again. Tom almost went back to his old life. One night, he watched videos for 4 hours. It was midnight. His eyes hurt. His heart felt empty. He said softly, "I am wasting my time again." He turned off the phone. He stood up. He opened his English book. Even at midnight, he read 1 page. "I will not stop," he said. From that day, Tom made a rule: no 0 day. Even if he was tired, he did something small. 1 page, 1 word, 1 sentence. Small steps, every day. After 6 months, Tom changed a lot. He spoke English slowly but clearly. He understood simple stories. He felt confident. He went to another job interview. This time, when the manager asked, "Can you introduce yourself?" Tom smiled and said, "Yes, my name is Tom. I am learning English. I am hardworking. I use my time well." The manager nodded. Tom got the job. That day, Tom walked home with light steps. The sky was blue. The world felt open. He thought about his past. He thought about wasted time. He did not feel sad. He felt thankful because he learned a lesson. Time is very important. Time does not wait. Time does not come back. Tom started to help others. He told his story to young people. He said, "Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a lie. Today is real." Some listened. Some did not. But Tom kept speaking. Every morning, Tom woke up early. He still read English. He still learned new words. He knew one truth now. Success is not magic. Success is daily work. Success is using time well. If you are reading this story now, remember Tom. Do not waste your time. Start small. Start today. Even 5 minutes is enough. Even 1 page is enough. Time is moving. Move with it. Your future is waiting. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and get ready for the next one coming very soon.